In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an approval workflow in Confluence. First, open Confluence. On the top bar, select Create to start a new page. Choose Page to open a blank editor. At the top, give your page a clear descriptive title that tells teammates what this document is about. Naming convention tip. Include team, project, and topic, and if relevant, the date or version. This helps in search and keeps reviews organized. Next, set up the page's status so everyone knows where it sits in the approval pipeline. In the editor, look for the status control and open it. Here you can create a custom status or select one from the suggested list. If you create your own, keep the wording short and actionable and pick colors that intuitively match meaning, like gray for draft, blue for in progress, yellow for needs review, and green for approved. If you prefer to move fast, the suggestions are a great starting point. Choose rough draft while you're outlining or collecting content. This makes it clear the page is still forming and not ready for feedback. As soon as you've captured the key points and you're actively developing the content, switch the status to in progress. That signals to collaborators that you're working on it and feedback can be queued but isn't urgent yet. When you're confident the content is complete and you want reviewers to take a look, change the status to ready for review. This is the stage where teammates, stakeholders, or subject matter experts can read, comment, and suggest changes. The status at the top provides a simple, consistent call out that it needs attention. After comments are addressed and the content meets your standards, update the status to verified. This communicates that the page has been reviewed and is now the approved source of truth. A few quick tips for running this smoothly. Agree as a team on which statuses you'll use and what each one means so expectations are consistent. Keep the number of statuses lean. Fewer stages reduce ambiguity and speed up approvals. Use clear language in the page title and within the document to capture context, like scope, due dates, or owners, so reviewers can evaluate quickly. And remember, the page status is visible at the top, so changing it is the simplest way to broadcast the page's current state without extra messages. That's it. With a title in place and thoughtful statuses, from rough draft to in progress to ready for review and finally to verified, you've built a lightweight approval workflow right inside Confluence.